Time for a check-in with the meat birds. So let's open the coops and see what we have today. So remember, we're raising 300 Freedom Rangers. We have 9 different coops that they go up into each night. We close the coops to keep them safe from outdoor predators in the evening like owls. And then every morning we let them out. These birds are doing great. Our first processing date will be May 28th. At that time, they will be 10 weeks old. Freedom Rangers are a slower growing bird, but I love seeing their movement. They have voracious appetites, and they absolutely love being outside on grass. Here's a look at our agroforest setup. The birds are kept in 3 different runs, so we have 3 coops in each run, just making it easier to keep the birds separate.